Of ice yesterday, so we let it defrost, and I'm going to put a gauge on the true suction and high side and see what the refrigerants are doing. Still got some ice down there at the bottom, so we'll see what we got going on. Still on there. Right here. Put it in cool mode, see if we can defrost. Before I get started on anything, I want to check this filter out. Golly. Oh, God. That's dirty. Watch this. My construction desk. These are dirty too. I think that's all that's in that channel. We're gonna go back outside and see what the pressures are. We're at a golf club right now, and they're renovating the men's locker room. So I think our issue is airflow. So we gotta switch this over to heat mode, which I think I did already. Yeah, it's heating right now. We'll see if these pressures go up and equalize, do what they're supposed to do. So this one, it's still got a little bit of ice on it in certain spots, but that head pressure is slowly coming up. And the suction pressure is a little low, but it's slowly coming up too. So I think we're going to be okay. I think the main issue was the air filters being clogged, made this freeze up outside. It was a block of ice yesterday, so I just shut it all off. I think they're okay. Beautiful rooftop overlooking the bay. I can almost see my house from here, but we're picking up this contract for this resort. It's a big resort in the area, and they want me to. These panels are just off of these units. Just like here, this one's being thrown around. There's another one down there. They wanted me, I guess, to diagnose the ones with the panels off, and as you can see, the condenser fan's just laying up inside here. I don't even know what that panel right there goes to. It's too cold to even test it in cool mode right now, so I want to just flip the power on, since we don't need that condenser fan motor right at the moment, because it is a gas furnace, and we're going to flip that on and see if the heat kicks on. And I'm going to take this door off first, and we're going to just double check everything, and then we're going to see if the heat kicks on. And I think I'm going to just go from there. We got to make some kind of leeway, right, in this catastrophe or whatever you want to call it. Oh, wrong screwdriver. Yeah. Let's see, where is it at? It's here somewhere. So I picked up this new screwdriver from Klein. It's an Impact 11-in-1 Klein. I got it off Amazon, but this thing is awesome. It's got a 5/16 1/4 inch. It's got the flip sockets. You can actually take this off, put it in your drill. You can pull it out and it flips, and it has a 3/8. Some more adapters and stuff. That's a magnet bit there, and then they got the flathead on that side, but you can use the 3/8 for all these units here. You can just throw it in your drill also, just like that. I think that's the coolest thing ever. So I'm gonna open this up just to look at the blower. We're gonna see what the blower looks like, the belts you can on it, any of this stuff before we fire it up. Just kind of like a thorough examination for here. Okay, here's the thermostat wire going down the chase. The whole screen is just open to the air. got some fuses sitting here though, so that might be a good sign. This wind is making my hands freeze this morning. So here's our fuse spots for those fuses. Here's all our boards and everything. Okay. I'm gonna kick it on, see what it'll do, see if the fuse's on and everything. Probably gonna jump around some thermostat wires to make it call. But so far that's where we're at. Power's all the way over here. God, this thing is super rusted. Oh my goodness. Can't even get the power box open. Well, that's cool. There we go. Okay, we got power. This one's got a green light on it. So now I'm just gonna get my little jumper wires for 24 volts. See if we can't get this thing to kick the heat on. I don't even know, like, what they got going on here. They got the red and the white disconnected. Alright, so it's on. That's got a whole bunch of junk in it. The blower did not kick on. We got flame. Okay, we got blower. Usually in heat mode, the blower is going to automatically kick on. But just in case. He's smoking. Alright, let's go open that air handler. Let's go open this side now. Definitely don't need that smoke in there. Oh, jeez. This should be all our burners. Oh yeah, that right there is why she's smoking. All the insulation on this fell on that pipe. It's getting hot. Looks like the blower has also got some issues. I need to take some pictures. This is insane. They got this thing completely taken apart. This is going to be pushed back to here. And we align that shroud that was in here. It's got to go up here for airflow to push in. I don't even know if this works or not. This is a mess. I noticed I didn't leave an exit on that video, so that rooftop unit, I had to back out. I gave a quote for our labor to reassemble that whole unit so we can properly diagnose what is going on with it. So I backed out, and we're going to wait for approval for that, and we're going to get out there and try to reassemble it and get it going for them. But it was too much stuff taken apart to say. So I had to back out of that. You got to know when to back out, and be able to charge hourly when you're doing that, reassemble and everything, because a diagnostics fee for all that work is definitely not worth it. So we backed out, and we're going to take a look at reassembling it, diagnosing it properly, and making sure everything is running like it should. But today was a crazy day, nice and cold and windy. And thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.